UCSE Accounting. In this video, we will prepare a bank reconciliation statement. So before we go into the working example, let's have a look that, let me introduce, there are two ways of preparing the bank reconciliation statement. So the method number one is you can start with updating the cash book bank balance. So you can just take the cash book bank balance as the starting point and then add the unpresented checks and then less the uncredited deposits and then equalize. You will find it is equal with the bank statement balance. And then there is another approach that you can starting with the bank statement balance and then less the unpresented checks and add the uncredited deposits. And then you will find that these two balance is equal. Okay, so this is two approach, and then the example that we will be talking to will be the first method, which is the first one. So this is the example. The example is in the textbook page 96. So as you can see in the screen here, this is the cash book. By right should be bank and cash, but cash is empty for now, and then we only can see that this bank transactions. And then let me show you that I also prepare. There is a bank statement. Imagine that this is the bank statement you receive from the bank, the top one. And then below here, we will be working on one of the bank reconciliation. That means how to prepare this one. So the question is like this. So step one, we need to do some understanding and comparison first so that you know how to start with. So as you can see here, in our book, that means our cash book, the bank balance as per 1st of August is 87. So let us have a look whether it's the same. Yes, it's 87. So both is the same. And then let's from here, 11 of August alias, which is 65, which means that deposit. In here, in bank statement, when it's credit, actually it also means that it's deposit. That means add in. All right, let's have a look whether alias deposit. Oh, yeah, these two already correct. So allow me to put into one color so that in the exam you can mark as a tick, so you know this one is correct. All right, after 8, we have another transaction which is Jan. All right, it's paying out with a check of 171. Let's have a look whether we have this particular transaction. Yes, there is a transaction of this. So this one also green. All right, so okay, this one is green. And this is green also. So which is correct. And then this is green also. Right, all these transactions correct. And then let's have a look at whether 18 August Hunter 423, whether there is a transaction of 423. Hunter 423. This one also green. That's nice. Okay. All right. So after 14, let's have a look of 21. 21, Bakhan, which is 34. Whether we can find this transaction. Bakhan, yes, 34. Yes, this one is green also. All right. And then this one also green. That's good. So all match. All right. Oh, it looks good here. All right, so it looks like it should be all correct, isn't it? Okay, let's continue, have a look. Okay, so after Bakhan, this one also green. Okay, this one green. This one also just now is match. Okay, so the missing part is this one. Okay, this is the missing one, and this is the missing one. It's not appear. So what we need to do? All right, so that is the thing we need to work on. All right. As mentioned earlier, how to do it? We use method 1, which is we take the cash book balance. Okay, the cash book balance here, let's have a look. Cash book balance is 677. Okay, sorry, typo, 677. All right. Okay, 677. Yes, so I already put the amount here. And then we need to add unpresented check. Unpresented check means here, you see, in my record, I already paid Rebecca, okay, 124. But in the bank statement, it didn't show at all. All right. So 124, we have to add it here. Okay. And then we add these two amounts together. So it's 801. Okay. Added the unpresented check. I repeat one more time. This scenario is company already issued the check, want to pay Rebecca. But in the bank, this check maybe not yet deduct from the company bank account. Okay, so that's why in the bank statement here, you cannot see. You cannot see, okay? All right, and the other thing that we need to add it in, which is uncredited deposit, which is just now I already make it in red. All right, for this one is Sue as should be a customer, which is account receivable, saying that the Sue already pay me, but in my bank statement there is no transaction from Sue. Then the amount is, let me see, the amount is 43431. Okay, 431. So you need to less it, and then after you less it, take, yeah, it's 370. And as you can see that after you make this adjustment, these two amount is the same. All right. So this is the steps how to do a bank reconciliation. And that's all for this video. And then I see you in the next video. We will discuss more about